That's what we did. So we created kind of formulas, we created a field with read only, and what could be the other option that we did not see when we create fields? The last option is our import option. So this is very important. So guys, can you please put yourself on mute? All of you, please. Okay, I did that myself, obviously. Yes, sure. Okay, so now we see the last option of bringing data into the compensation template. The last, as I said, there are three options, guys. Remember, one is our direct data in the system. The second is through the read-only option. When you put a formula, system calculates it. And then the third option is to bring the data using an import file. The import file is nothing. You just go and do an employee export. When you do an export, we usually do. Previously, I never used to come and select this option. I usually go and export it. So I just go, include my user compensation data, and include this, and then whatever form that we are using currently, 2015 July compensation, right? So I select it and then export the user file.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Sorry.
Hello? Hello? Give me a second, yes, this Excel file is not opening. Someone was asking something.
Praveen, this is Gauri here.
Yes, sir.
The thing is, like, what are the system we just trying to use now, but we could not get an authorization for it. Can you check it out? Because whatever the template you just created, right? July 2015 something, we couldn't find that in our template. Yeah.
Maybe you're using a wrong system. You're still using the employee central system?
Yes, yes. But we don't have the details of this particular compensation system.
I think you should ask Nagaredi to send you, because they already have this. I send it to those others, I guess, who are directly through compensation. So for non-compensation, I mean for you, maybe you should check that with Nagaredi.
Okay. And one more thing, Praveen, can you guide us how to create the template again, because
So you get the standard compensation template from SuccessFactors once you start. So I gave you the template documents, right? I gave you the whole folder that I have. So once you have it, then you just go to your compensation home, create a new plan, and then upload the file. Upload the XML file.
So,
and then start working.
All right. Let us check with an already for the access. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
All right.
So if you look at this RUDF file, what we usually talk, right? So we get custom 15 custom fields, and then it ends here if you're using, or if you're not importing or comp data. So, but here, once you have the comp, you see the extra fields will start coming up here. I've got salary, you got comp, right? So you've lost pay grades, levels, salary, preparations, writings, job families, job, and a lot of them. You have a lot of them. All of them coming from your compensation. Created a custom field called last year's salary. I'm looking for that. Put an import key for that. You see here? So this is something that we created. Only one field as a import. You can see the amount for last year. If at all I've maintained something for an, if I mean, or you'll see the amount here. So if I put the amounts here, let's say this is just a random put for all of them this amount and import it. Okay.
Very sorry to disturb. Your voice is not audible. It's breaking down.
Uh, exactly. That's what I said, guys. I'm paying already $25 for this shit kind of. To be honest, for me, it took me 20 minutes to open my GoToMeeting and then log into this session. So I expect the problem, and I know that's why I just said at the beginning of the session that internet could be a problem. And this is the one they have. To be honest, if you see, I don't have a PowerPoint that to put here because if at all I have to go and put the PowerPoint, I have to go somewhere near my restroom because this is a weird hotel, and this is a five-star hotel again because it's on the beach, and people come here for vacation, not like me for work. So you see everyone in swimsuits. You see me in a suit. So it sounds really weird. Guys, I don't know what I can actually do. Just stop me whenever you guys can't hear me, okay? You still have the same problem, everyone?
Yes, Praveen.
Yes, correct.
I don't know what I can do, guys. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what I can do.
Praveen, it's okay now. When you talk about the subject, it's jumping mid in between. If you talk about something else, it's really clear.
So that means you want me to talk about other things apart from subject?
I don't know, but I'm just thinking that.
People will kill me, man. See, everyone says my voice is breaking already. Okay, let's try. If you see the same, just send me a message or stop me. So this particular field is something that we created in our compensation template. If we go to our compensation template that we created in the last, the reasons for my demo today, I recorded everything when I'm there India itself. Just when system would work. I was expecting this because of with usually not places this is very slow. So this is our compensation template that we are working on, right? Um, if you look at this here, created this last year. Created this last year any custom field because it's a calculated field. I mean, I did not put an import key because it's a system will calculate. Whereas this one, you have import key, and you see that when you go to our you see that, guys? So the option, as I said, to import data to a field or to all the fields. So you have this import option where you need to select the import key field. Is that clear? Or it's still the breaking stuff?
We still have the same issue, Praveen, but
Oh, yes,
Hey,
Praveen.
what can we do, guys? Because I'm sure that this time it's like early morning, 5 here, and no one even wakes up to use internet. I was expecting it should be one of the good connections at this time, and this is very bad.
Even as soon as you open the screen, it is getting breaking, but as soon as you close that, I mean, when you are shifting to the other Excel, it is not breaking.
So that's what, Praveen. When you're browsing it, it's breaking. When you're not,
Yeah,
then
I think because it also takes some bandwidth, right, to show the
yes, yes.
system. Yeah, so that could be one of the reasons. And they don't even have high speed or other speed options, so it's only high speed internet that I bought. So I don't know, guys, what to do. They're charging a bomb already, so I can go and ask them to see how does it work, because $25 per day is not a small amount.
Ask them to return back your money, Praveen.
No internet at all, man, to connect to the world. Okay, someone says when you're coming back home. When are you coming back home? Sorry. Can't we take a break till then? This weekend, I'll be back home. That means we'll not have classes for 4 days. That some people might not be comfortable with, actually. If that's the case, actually, I would be really happy. I can sleep a bit, and also I can go into the beach directly because I have an awesome view from my room just on the beach. Voting or vomiting? What is that?
Vomiting, not vomiting.
Someone typed it wrong, actually.
Spelling mistake.
Okay, thanks, Ritu. That would be nice. I can send you some nice pictures, actually.
Where are you exactly?
by the way, Praveen, which geozone you are in now?
I'm in Mediterranean Sea, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That's where I am. In an island, surrounded with water, obviously. And my hotel is actually on the beach. That means it's just, my room is also sea facing, luckily. So it's just like I see everyone in the beach playing around. I'm still working here. So
So you have to join them.
I will, man, definitely.
Because we are getting a internet problem, so the better we can stop here and you just enjoy.
No, I think Gauri said it right. So when I don't talk about business, it sounds okay. When I start talking about compensation, it is not okay.
No, but we are not getting your voice, no. The voice is breaking all the way. So
Right,
we are
right,
not
right,
getting what
right.
exactly you want to say. That's what. So it's better to
I don't have a
stay.
problem, guys. It's up to you guys to decide. Okay, if you guys are okay, I'm fine. I would be more than happy. I'll take a break. I'm looking for quite long. So,
Hmm.
so
Actually, might be other people might be
Okay,
confused.
Praveen. Once you come back, you can have a chat.
only problem is with few people who really wanted to complete it. So if there are